How do you know when it's time to downsize? For most people, it's not one big moment. It's a series of little ones, like the first time the stairs feel like a workout, or when cleaning rooms you never use feel like a full-time job, or maybe when you realize you're paying taxes, heating, and cooling for space you don't need anymore. So when's the right time to downsize? Let's talk about it. Now meet Bob and Susan. Bob and Susan had lived in their four-bedroom colonial for 30 plus years. They kept putting off downsizing because we're not ready yet. They loved their home but dreaded the thought of packing and moving. Then Bob's health got worse, and going up and down the stairs was a big effort. And realized their home just didn't work for them anymore. Yes, they could install a chairlift, but that wouldn't help with getting up the front steps to the house or navigating their steep basement stairs for laundry and storage. Now, instead of downsizing on their own terms, they were forced to move in a rush. They wished they had done it sooner while they still had more options. Now, meet Lisa. Lisa was divorced and a year away from retirement and living in a condo surrounded by younger professionals who were gone all day. She realized she wanted to be around people in her own stage of life who had time for activities and socializing. Her dream was to move to a retirement community near her sibling, where she could build new friendships and enjoy an active lifestyle. If she waited too long, she might miss out on getting into her first choice community. So she made the move before she needed to, and now she's happier than ever. Her only regret, not doing it sooner. Here are 3 steps to make downsizing easier. Step 1, ask yourself, if your home still works for you. If your home feels like more work than it's worth, it might be time. Are you using all the space you're paying for? Would a smaller home free up time and money for travel, family, or hobbies? Do you want to spend weekends on maintenance or actually enjoying your life? Step 2, don't wait for a crisis. Too many people wait until they have no choice. A health issue, financial stress, or a home that becomes too much to handle. The best time to move is when you want to, not when you have to. Step 3, choose the right next home. Downsizing doesn't have to mean a 55-plus community, but it can. It can be a smaller single-family home with less upkeep, a condo with no yard work and built-in amenities, or a 55-plus community with built-in social life activities and neighbors in the same life stage. So, what's the best time to downsize? It's not about age. It's about when your home no longer fits your life. Most downsizers I talk to wish they hadn't waited so long. And if you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more videos about downsizing, 55 plus living, and real estate tips that make your life easier. Like this video and share it with someone who's thinking about making a move and needs to hear this. If you're in Plymouth County, the South Shore, or Southeastern Mass, reach out to me for help in finding your next home. Not in my area? No problem. I can connect you with a trusted seniors real estate specialist anywhere in the U.S. Drop a comment below. Are you team, I'm not ready yet, or team, I wish I did this sooner?